Yep, that's me. You're probably wondering how I ended up in this situation. Yep, that's me.
I feel donut like bad juice. Like, I'm not even gonna lie. Let me tell you, my knees, you saw where I dropped, right? My knees are now hurting. I feel like it was the adrenaline of playing tennis and everything, but I never really feel it until like I have the time to just sit down and stop playing and checking everything. And when I tell you that my knees are hurting, I think when I reach back to the house, I'm going to have to ice it, or else I'm gonna be done for the rest of the day. I'm not gonna lie, that was one of the best shows that I've had in a while. It's something about cold outside shows that have me like, yeah, refreshed and rejuvenated. So let me just change real quick because I have to go on the road and get some more of my errands that I got to do yesterday done. So let's just get ready.
Lights out, I'm your favorite. Too many ways, been in your place, there's delays. Add it up, plus sign, zeros on the table. Driving and vibing, bring the beer later. Wanna make it bigger, just a little bit of flavor showing up to my space, I'm a fashion dealer. I'm your biggest bidder, meet me in the middle. I just don't wanna settle under these lucid dreams. I'm not just a visionary, it's all making sense to me. Not a basic, ain't no ordinary. Stay put, we gon' get higher. You're the product, I could be your buyer. Under these lucid dreams, I'm not thinking off my head, yeah. Just being honest.
I seriously cannot breathe at all. Can't breathe at all. I actually buck up on this papaya and yogurt thing, and it actually tastes really good. My stomach feels like it's in knots. Maybe I'm going to make myself some ginger tea or something because God knows, can't manage. I just tried to eat something and I could only get through half. I got through one papaya and yogurt, but I could only get through half the sandwich. So I'm not gonna force it, and I'm gonna take the breathe easy. Hopefully it can just clear up my nose because God knows I am dying. So I'm gonna take that and come back.
Under these lucid dreams, yeah. I'm not just a visionary. It's all making sense to me. Not a basic, ain't no ordinary. Stay blue, we gon' get higher. You're the product, I could be your buyer. Under these lucid dreams, I'm not thinking off my head, yeah.
So I got the shoes to go with the black and white dress, and I'm really excited. So let me show you guys what I got. The package is really good. Yeah. I like it, and it's going to serve me a while. And it's the start of me buying shoes for myself. Second one I got was this. It was brown and I thought it was really cute. I don't plan to wear it for long, but I thought it was cute at the time, so I bought it. So that's it for show and tell, guys.
That I'm tryna keep, yeah. All these memories bittersweet, yeah. Gotta move, can't stay here no more. 여기 계속 있다가 나만 손해가 돼. 'Cause we can't keep making these rain clouds stay overhead. Don't wanna keep this going. Can't fix what's already broken. 생각을 돌이켜봐도 혼자 되뇌어봐도 추억을 돌이켜봐도 그때 우리를 봐도 Raindrops falling, break it, 네 속에 섞여. Raindrops falling, break it, 다 쏟아, it's pouring. 잡으려 하면 할수록 In the clouds we hear, just as I feared. We're falling just like these tears. 흩어져가는 in the clouds. Raindrops falling, break it, 네 속에 섞여. Raindrops falling, break it, 다 쏟아, it's pouring.
I'm going to totally just close out this video. I think I have exhausted the morning enough, and I'm going to continue my day. You know, as usual, I keep forgetting to video everything, so I'm just going to end it now. I hope you have a great day, great week, great month, great year. It does not matter as long as it's great. And I will see you guys in the next one. Bye.